It's all very close at the top. I'm third on the grid. MX5's rookies at the Alton Park short course, so Foster's, I think it's called.
Green flag, green flag.
I've just done this race and was okay. I started from the pits because I thought it was going to be carnage, and it wasn't, although I did make a mistake. But anyway, I'm going to keep out of trouble, hopefully, but keep the speed up.
There's an incident behind.
Instant behind. Just get around this first little bit. So this is the tricky section, I think. And what caught me out was I got my rear wheels on the rumble strip on the left there, and it just threw the car around. So I've learned not to do that. I think we'll keep together. Certainly the top three. I don't know about the guy behind. He wasn't far behind, so if he closes back in under the slipstream, then we'll all be together, I think. First lap, so tyres are a bit cold. Just keep with these two anyway. If we can. And have a good old race, hopefully. So we're just about, not quite a second ahead of the guy behind. We will be soon if this carries on.
377.
Oh, a bit of an off track that. Okay, they're a bit slow through there, aren't they? I can hear you turn in when you see that first bit of curbing, and then it takes you nicely for the second apex, or the second bit of the corner. If you wait till you see the actual corner, it's too late. This is a tricky corner to get right as well.
10 minutes to go.
Okay, so the guy behind's closed in a little bit. Obviously, we're all together. I'm finding now just letting off the brakes early, rolling it around, and then getting on the power. If you get on the power too soon, you go off on the left. I was braking too hard and holding the brakes for too long. I think you can sort of ease off a bit earlier. This one you just got to get nicely. So we need to be in the 106s really. That's sort of where the pace is at, I think. Oh, they slow through there, aren't they? Don't know why. What are we doing at the moment? 106s. Yeah, we're in the 106s. That's good. Might even get to the 105s then. We push each other along. Where are we going to be now then? .136. Just set your fastest lap of the session. The car in. Not bad.
4. Just set the fastest lap. 5.
So the guy behind is closing in then. We're closing in on someone ahead as well. What's going on here? Yes, guy ahead is a bit slow around that corner. What's this back marker going to do then? Going to get out of the way or cause a problem. What do we reckon? Hard to tell sometimes. Okay, it's getting out of the way.
That car is a lap down.
Thank you.
Car right. Keep to the left. Clear.
Well, I think he just pushed me off there, didn't he? You got enough room, Simon?
7.366.
He thinks he's quick because of the slipstream, I think. He's not that quick. I think we'll get back past him. Oh, he's a blinker as well. Not what we want. Not what we want. Okay, well, let's see what he does with the guys ahead then. He goes for an early move or not. He dropping back a bit. Seems to be, doesn't he?
6.431.
But they're battling, so that's going to help us. They're battling hard, actually. Gosh, look how slow we're going through there. All together again. Oh, that's a interesting place to make a move. It's going to leave them vulnerable now.
The next car's the leader.
Okay. Where do we go?
8.524. The leader just did a 8.541.
Yeah, I could see that happening. Okay, back to 3 of us again.
5 minutes to go.
Is he taking some others out? Because I can see a load of yellow behind me. We'll have a look at the replay after.
Thanks.
Now, these two teammates, they've got the same colour scheme, haven't they?
What the fuck are you doing? Are you alright, mate?
Not happy, is he? So just watch the replay.
Shut up, Brian. You're taking the piss, mate.
7.15. You're back in third. Keep hustling. Nice work.
What do you mean I caused it? I got binned, mate. Go watch it.
Oh dear. Yeah, it's like he did take some others out then. Okay, we need to make a move here. We're going to run out of time. So where are we going to do it? Where are they slow? Slow through there, aren't they? Oh, and he's gone off.
6.607.
Come on. See if we can pressure him a little bit into making a mistake. Make him think a little bit.
The next car's the leader.
He went wide, didn't he, that?
Right side. Still there, hold your line. Keep to the left. clear.
This is not helping us.
7.699. Right side. Keep to the left. You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 1.2 seconds. Clear. The next car's the leader.
Okay. We got him. And we stay ahead. So that was because he went wide at that corner. Nowhere for him to go.
Keep to the right. Clear on the left. Left side. Clear on the left.
I mean,
We've got damage on the back end.
and now with damage on the back end, that's not good.
White flag. Stay smooth.
Well, that's not helped us, has it? Not helped us at all. Let's let him get away.
7.609. Okay, you're in second.
And we close up at all. It's going to be a good lap if we do. Well, we are catching, but not enough. Not enough for a dive up the inside, anyway. No,
Mate, what is that fucking re-enter?
I think that's it.
Oh my fucking days. Everyone in this lobby has issues. You're taking a piss.
Okay, well, second's okay, I guess. 2x is okay, I guess. I would have rather not had those, but anyway.
All right.
Good race. Enjoyed that. Shame matey boy behind
Good job. Very good job.
wasn't spatially aware enough to realise I was going to have to brake for that corner. But anyway, we'll just keep on going and we'll have a look at the results and the replays. Okay, let's have a look at the start then and the incident. So we got away okay, no problem really. And then what happened then? So a bit behind. Yeah, well, unlucky the green car then. Very unlucky. Oh dear, yeah, lots of damage. Then what have we got? Oh dear. Yeah, bit of a mistake. That's up us ahead. Oh, bit of an overcorrection. Trying to avoid the bollards. Now, this is the leaders, isn't it? So he was in the lead, number 10. A little bit of net code there. Then what does he do? Yeah, unsafe rejoin, mate. Your fault. No question. You just pulled out onto the track in front of him. That's your fault. Oh, well. And ruined other people's race, yeah. Absolutely. Your fault, mate. Anyway. Oh, looks like there was some afters, though. Which is never good. That, even if the other guy was at fault, you shouldn't do that. And then this was, so I'm sort of holding the middle of the track. Braked a bit early, but he wasn't, you know, got to anticipate that, haven't you? Anyway, that was it. Couldn't catch up after that. Where's this guy going to go then? Up the inside? Yeah, he didn't quite brake enough. Unlucky. Unlucky. Is he waiting for him? Yeah, good driving. Well done. Well, you can't make it up, can you? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Okay, well, he tried to wait for him, and then the other guy was very unlucky there. Okay, let's have a look at the results. So then that was second split out of 22 splits. Bloody hell. Popular race. So got some safety ratings, so I'm pleased about that, and got some I ratings, so again, pleased about that. So fastest lap then, it's just the guy that dove up the inside of me, did that lap whilst he was following me, didn't he? So a 5.96, and I did a 6.1. 6.1. So second fastest lap by the looks of it. So yeah, not too bad. Happy with that. Could have been better, but you know, got double green, so shouldn't really complain, should I? I do like the MX-5, so that's the base standard setup. Alton Park, interesting track. I think I prefer the longer one, but you know, give it a go. Anyway, If you do, then maybe tell your friends, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.